I hate them for bringing us here. I hate Mama just as much as I hate Daddy. And I hate Daddy all the time. I hate how he sits around the house in his stinking t-shirt, spilling beer over everything and throwing up in the toilet. I hate the look in Mama's eyes when I'm around. I hate how she hides. This place stinks. And she knows it. And he knows it. And they ought to do something about it. They ought to take us home. But they won't. I know they won't. They'll just sit here. And Daddy will keep getting drunk because his job stinks. And Mom will keep crying because he drinks so much and because we have no money. And they'll just fight all night long, and we'll have to listen. Me, Monty, Mary, we'll have to lay in that apartment and listen to them. So I hate them. Almost as much as I hate this place. It's all I can feel. This ball of hate that's on fire, that's right inside me at all times. It's all I can feel.